Alright, so it's Thursday. The great spring blizzard of Aught 9 is about to start. I had to come into work. I'm here on campus. We've had a couple of flakes already, but they're talking about some pretty serious snowfall coming a little later. This should be fun. Here's a look around campus, sort of a before shot. I'm going in at about 8 o'clock, and we'll see what happens while I'm in there. I should get out around. The storm's picking up while I was in the meetings this morning. And check it out. I don't know how much you can see. Man, it is coming down. There's the flag. A lot of wind. And a lot of snow. Looks like this is the real deal. Okay, headed home. It's about noon, and I think this is what they mean by whiteout conditions. Can't see much at all. Hopefully we'll make it all the way home. If not, it's, every little bit I get is less that I have to walk. Still on the way home, and this is exciting. Moving at about 5 miles an hour now, and just trying to get up this hill. See how it goes. Of course, there's some people stopped. Whew, looks pretty nasty out there. Man, oh man. I'm glad I'm back here. Got a fire in the fireplace. Cold beer. It's all good. Gotta love Colorado spring. Happy spring, everyone.